Hi, my name is Vic Ray Lewis. I'm a member of St. Richard's Catholic Church. I'm also a member of the Knights of Columbus at St. Richard's Catholic Church. The Carmelite Sisters in the Carmelite Monastery has been serving the Jackson area for greater than 70 years. The Carmelite campus, unfortunately, part of it has fallen into disrepair. We discovered that part of the monastic wall is beginning to collapse. Should that monastic wall fall, it will breach not only the security and safety of the sisters, but it would also adversely affect their quality of life as a monastic organization, as a monastic group. We are asking for donations to help rebuild this section of wall, approximately 200 feet of wall. The cost of this would be anywhere between $25,000 to $30,000 is what we're estimating. On behalf of the Carmelite Sisters in the area Knights of Columbus, we thank you for your help and your donation.